Okay, today I'm going to show you how to service the Dyson vacuum head roller. Okay, because normally the wheels will get stuck because of the lot of hairs and dust stuck between the wheels. So today I'm going to show you how to dismantle it, and you can see some dust here. Okay, in fact this is the one that I already have cleaned up. I'm just gonna show you how to dismantle it, right? Okay, first of all you need some soft wire brush, which is good. See, this is where I extract out from the roller, and soft brush, and maybe a tweezer. So what you can do first is for you to dismantle this, which will be on the left side, the head roller. Just need to flip it, there you go, right? So normally there's hairs or dust being trapped here, so you just need to remove it, or even use it with the tweezer to pull it out. Yeah, then you just need to pull this out, the roller. Okay, now you see the compartment here. Normally this is where a lot of tiny particles and dust. You just need to sweep it away. Yeah, sweep it away. There's some of the I'll show you some of the debris that has been stuck in the roller. Yeah, okay, normally there are some hairs stuck between here too, here and here, right? You just need to pull it out using a tweezer, clear it, because if not the roller will be very slow and stuck. Yeah, so these are the small little rollers as well. Only I pluck it away from here to clear it. Yeah, so what you can do now is to clear it away. After you clear it away, then you use this soft wire brush where you can get from the hardware shop. Yeah, so unwanted hairs there. This is what I will do. Brush it away, and you get stuck to your brush. There you go. You can see. Yeah. So as I mentioned before, this part has been cleaned. So these are the things that you need to clean: here, 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 and here. Yeah. Once you are done, you just need to fix it back. Yeah. Oh yeah, before I forget, this part too, there's gonna be a lot of hair after a couple of usage. Just plug it in. Sorry, there you go. Yeah, just lock back. See, you just need to lock it back. It's fine to go. So the wheels is working fine.